right?
Look what Brother Watson bring now. Brother Watson bring jackfruit. Eh?
Okay.
Jackfruit seed can boil. I go boil them jackfruit seed there.
Roast them and eat them.
Yeah.
When we back a country and we get that, we get one off a tree. Make sure so we eat and when the fire catch up with us, should be under there and roast it.
It tastes like potato.
Yep.
Benefits of jackfruit.
Just put it on. Put it on, yes, sir.
Benefits of jackfruit.
Here's a summary from Dr. Axe. Jackfruit benefits enhances immunity and may help fight
That's the
cancer,
one cut out.
boosts magnesium levels, reduces risk of cardiovascular disease, improves digestion, and more.
Tell me the more.
There you go.
Cut out the one, yeah.
So, when we take it out of the ox, right?
Some people can't stand jackfruit, you know. You know,
Yes, smell like.
What's come from, honey?
Get out the door. What do you expect?
Which one?
You didn't go take our clothes off, I like.
What happened to the sound?
Yeah, but Melania carry on. No.
You don't know.
The sound.
You take it off.
show the brother how to eat jackfruit. Because I don't come a foreign and know how to eat jackfruit. Eh? And you're Jamaican.
I love the smell.
Alright, see that piece there? Right there, so. Take out that. Yeah, but move off all of them white something there, fight.
Alright, remember now.
And clean out that there.
You gonna taste it to me?
I tell you, I remember it now. I remember how to eat it. To me,
And,
My girl.
and get me a
You
piece.
go
Now.
country
Maggie,
and walk up on one of them trees.
come on, Mike.
Put name out now, my girl.
Bite it.
Right, I bite it.
Chew it, man.
Don't it taste good, Tamia?
Watch your face, watch your face. No, it don't. No, it don't.
Of course it does.
No, it don't. No, it
It's
don't.
sweet, right?
Sweet up. Get the sweet.
Got shoot me, yeah?
Don't it sweet? See?
Good, right?
See?
She know she lying.
Tamia have sense. Eh? The rest of them not no sense.
She lying.
Sister, who was 10 years old.
You know when I'm gonna eat this?
Sunday night, 10 o'clock.
No.
Eh? Me get knocked on my door. Sunday night, 10 o'clock, you know. Eh?
That maybe she.
And watch it. Look there.
Other lady are saying
Oh, that's why you ever rode with some people. Ain't nobody knows that him would not the door. Me I tell you the truth. Ain't nobody knows that him, me lock up all I like them. Eh? Look there. 10 o'clock. Eh? 10 o'clock at your yard. Eh? You come have to deal with stress in my life. Today I'll be doing a quick smoothie, and I just want to show you my ingredients that I have. Alright? Okay, so I have some dates here. Let me see if I can show it properly. Yeah, I have some dates here. I'm gonna use about 2 of these because it's very sweet. So dates are good for fiber, and it's good for the digestive system and all of them. It's good something there. Alright, dates. Then I have some pineapples and I have some blueberries. Alright, and this is pineapple that was in the can. Normally I don't use it, but I'm not a fresh one right now, so bear with me. Alright, nobody come for me, please. Then I have ripe banana, and you notice the banana with the spots. That's the best time to use your bananas. Once they have the spots, it means they are properly ripe, and the flavors, potassium, everything in it is more intensified. And then here I have, oh, I have 2 moringa seeds. See them there? And you just pop them open and take out the little fruit on the inside. Moringa seed is superfood. Alright, and here I have some jackfruit. Yeah, from the jackfruit I just cut the other day. And I normally you can use the seeds as well, but I just take out the pods, and you'll see the video show you how I take out the pods and stuff. And I'm gonna use some jackfruit. And then I have almond milk, and that's gonna be my carrier agent. You can do this with orange juice if you want, or any type of juice if you want, but I'm using almond milk. I want a milk-based smoothie. And I think I have a little bit of protein powder that I'm gonna also use. I have some flax seeds that I'm gonna use, and a little bit of protein with chia that I'm gonna use. So let's see what happens when it happens. Remember, I'm gonna tell you. For real? Alright, so peel my banana. Add my banana. And don't worry about the brown spots on the banana. That's just ripeness. Yeah. My moringa seeds. You pretty much just pop open the seed like that, and that little white fruit, the little white pit, is what you want to get out. And you can just eat this. You can just put this in your mouth and eat it. But it is a unique thing in that it is very bitter and very sweet at the same time. Funny, you know. So you just need about, normally you would need about 3 or 4, but I only have 2 right now. So I have to go back go check my church brother. I've got to check my church brother to get more. So see, moringa seeds, and you just drop them in. Then you're gonna add your blueberries and pineapples. Blueberries and pineapples. Then you're gonna add your dates. And this is dates. See how the date them look? And you just break them open because there's a large pit on the inside. And you take the pit and you throw it away. And your date is ready. Just drop them in. I'm gonna use 1 date. I'm not gonna use 2. All right, and then you start adding your jackfruit flesh. Yeah, see jackfruit. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and these are really sweet, guys. And then I have ground flax seeds that I'm gonna add as well. And I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of the flax seeds because the date carries a certain amount of fiber already. And it's not gonna be a heaping teaspoon, it's just gonna be a regular sized teaspoon. And then I'm gonna just add my almond milk. And this is the vanilla almond milk, guys. It only has 7 grams of sugar per serving. So yeah. And this smoothie is this cup makes 2 servings. So yeah, gonna add it to my new chip bullet now. Yeah, and I'm gonna add my ice now. Alright, so I'm add my thing, I just done blend, and now let me pour out some. Hopefully I don't spill anything. And there you are, guys. My jackfruit, blueberry, pineapple smoothie. Yep. And I promise you it's gonna taste good. I'm gonna taste it now, but I'm not gonna see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Join me once again in the kitchen. Like, share, subscribe. Remember to check out my description box. And yeah, continue to stay tuned for more videos, more smoothie, more health food, more stuff. Yardie TV. Yeah, big up.